G'day, here's a parcel of nobbies, still partially encased in what I'm calling opalised clay. It's that hard. The material, if we try to tumble it anymore, would just be wearing away the opal as much as it would wear the clay off. So we've had to leave it, and consequently there could be some surprises inside some of these bigger pieces. But we've priced it according to what we can see. I'll zoom in. Okay, I can't remember if I said it or not, but the rule's in millimetres and the material's been wetted. I just hold the rule above the stones and move it around a little bit to give you an idea. As you can see, some of them are quite big. Like this one here is coming up 70, 80. How big is it? 60 millimetres long, so some quite big pieces amongst it. Anyway, we'll just go for it. There's this biggest piece, colour showing here. Other pieces aren't so good, that's a bit washed out, those colours, a bit more sort of crystal. Bluey greens, little cave in there, something like that. Probably is as big as what you can see, but also could be the same stone coming through here. Sorry, I went off the screen then. There's a saying, it's there, but it also comes through. Whether it's the same knobby, I don't know. Another piece with a bit of fire. It's all these smaller pieces. Quite often that's where you'll find a good little stone. So don't dismiss the little bits. Purple, blue, crystal. Looks like small nobbies encased, or could be the clays that opalised, could be quite a large knobby clay piece. As you can see here, the nobbies sort of come around with a hollow in it, so this is possible with some of the other pieces as well. Piece with a little bar of red through there. How far it goes, don't know. Little bits like this. Semi-crystal. Don't forget, you can always stop the video if you want to have a closer look at a piece. Another little bit showing some pinks. Anyway, I think you've got an idea of what you're looking at there. A lot of surprises. Oh, there's a nice piece of multicolour. Little crystal on the back there. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.